March 13, 2026. This is day 72 of 365 days of our Abundant Life series. 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 4 and 5. You are coming to Christ, who is the living cornerstone of God's temple. He was rejected by people, but he was chosen by God for great honor. And you are living stones that God is building into his spiritual temple. Today's topic title, God says, I am building you into my spiritual house. I am making you part of something that is bigger than you are as an individual, something more important than your own agenda. You are a living stone in the house I am building to live in forever. My house is made up of believers coming together as my covenant people to worship me, living stones being placed side by side on the solid foundation of Christ. I have no interest in building a bigger or better rendition of a dead temple. What good is an earthly temple to the Lord of heaven and earth? I am building a house of living stones who will worship me in spirit and in truth, offering up the sacrifices of a broken spirit and a contrite heart, songs of praise and deeds of kindness. I am building my church, the people in whom and with whom I will dwell forever. In continuation no, sa nung na-discuss ko sa isang video na yung mga nangyayari nga ngayon sa mundo, 'di ba, very unstable, may mga giyera, yung mga giyera na nangyayari ngayon is it keeps getting worse ba. So tayo since we're here still on earth, we all have this preparation din ba na dapat natin gawin na because there are things na hindi natin makontrol, but there are things we can do na whatever might happen, mga ganyan, at least ba may na-prepare tayo, though it may get hard, pero at least not as hard if hindi ka nag-prepare, no? So, ganun siya. So, sa mga pwedeng magtanim, learn how to mag-imbak ng mga pagkain, mga ganyan, para may mabunot, may maani in case of emergency. So, mga ganyan, sa hindi naman makapagtanim din, mag-stock lang ng mga bigas, mga dilata, mga ganyan. So, ganyan siya. So, but these things, mga ganyan na preparation kasi, that is important for our physical needs. And yes, those are physical food na dapat nating i-prepare para sa ating physical na pangangailangan. But aside from that, it is also really important na pati yung spiritual natin ba is we also feed our spiritual needs. So this is also a good time na, to learn more about God's Word, i-remind yung mga sarili natin na to have this more understanding ba why God allows such things to happen, mga ganyan. So, ganyan siya. So, don't just prepare just for physical needs, but also for your spiritual needs.